Hello. Today I will talk about what is meditation and why we should meditate. Well, first I will talk about what is meditation. Everybody of you who is watching this video already have some ideas of what meditation is. When this term or this word is used, picture of people who are sitting in lotus posture or chanting a mantra or standing in any of yogic postures comes in our minds. So it is not difficult to understand what meditation is. But many of us fail to understand the real meaning of what meditation is. But meditation is any of the exercises given by meditation masters or spiritual gurus, which gives you peace of mind, clarity of mind, happiness, bliss, and joy, fulfilling, and remove all the rubbish from mind continuously taking our mental energy, which is precious to use in different activities of life. So meditation is done with the intention to bring peace in our lives, peace of body, peace of mind, especially. So now, how to meditate? Well, meditation is very simple phenomenon, and it can be done at anywhere, in any situation, or in any posture. One thing we have to understand about meditation is that it makes us, or it actually brings us to present moment. Because when you are in present moment and you are aware of the this moment of this very moment of this very time. In other words, of the things that are around you, that you see with your eyes, the voices that you hear with your ears, smells that you smell with your nose, and the bodily sensation when you're standing, touching it. When you're full aware of those sensations, and your attention comes from those sensations, you automatically come into in the flow of excessive thinking, the flow of mind burdening thinking causes thought process breaks instantly. And you are no more victim of your compulsive mind. You tune this life in that very short period of time, no matter the duration of it is very short, small. You come back to life, you come back to peace, you come back to joy. You feel absolutely released. So, you can meditate wherever you are. Try to find a place where there are less distractions. The best thing that I have found in my life is when I'm sleeping or preparing for my sleep, I lie down on my bed, close my eyes, loosen my body, and just try to see my mind, try to watch my mind. What are the thought comes on the flow of thought, continuity of thought comes. I actually try to become aware of that without judging what is happening. Just pure watchfulness. Just see what thoughts are coming. You see that your mind is full of thoughts. Just realize them. Just try to witness. Try to be a witness of your mind activity. And when you may be distracted initially, that's okay. You can even see that distraction. And when you become aware of your distraction, naturally come back to the same state. Slowly, flow of thought becomes thin. You can do this meditation. You can practice this wherever you are. Whether you are traveling, sitting on a couch, preparing for sleep, or you're just woken up from your bed. Give some time, at least 10 minutes, relax your mind. See pictures as you see the movies. See it as if you are watching a movie. Or see it as if you are on a building, down a building, on the road. There is a traffic, vehicles and cars. You are just watching them, not judging them, because there is no concern. You don't have any concern with them. You are here to watch them. Thank you.